Hello everyone, welcome back to WISO Health Tips. I'm thrilled to share a natural remedy that stood the test of time across continents, the leaf of life, also known as the miracle leaf or air plant. Today, we'll explore its medicinal powers, cultural symbolism, and spiritual uses from Madagascar to Montego Bay. Let's dive deep. First up, what exactly is the leaf of life? Its scientific name is Bryophyllum pinnatum, and it's native to Madagascar, a place rich with biodiversity. What's fascinating is its ability to reproduce from the edges of its leaves. Tiny plantlets drop off and grow into new plants, almost like nature's way of cloning resilience. This regenerative superpower is why it's called leaf of life. In many cultures, it's seen as a symbol of rebirth and vitality. And today, it's found across tropical regions: India, South America, West Africa, and of course, the Caribbean. Let's get into the health benefits. This plant isn't just powerful, it's versatile. Respiratory relief, used in teas to ease asthma and bronchitis. Elder healers say a warm cup before bed can work wonders. Wound care, the raw leaves are used like natural bandages, crushed and laid over cuts, burns, or insect bites. Anti-inflammatory action, ideal for arthritis or swollen joints. It's nature's cooling compress. Antibacterial and antiviral, studies show it combats bacteria like E. coli and viruses linked to cold sores. Kidney support, folk medicine often pairs it with coconut water to help flush out kidney stones. Digestive aid, in some communities, leaf juice is taken before meals to prevent bloating or stomach aches. Blood sugar and pressure, thought to assist in regulating glucose and lowering hypertension due to mild diuretic effects. Immunity and pain relief, rich in flavonoids and antioxidants. It's used for headaches, cramps, and even fever. Beyond healing, this leaf fits into daily rituals and routines. Skin conditions, juice applied to eczema, acne, even chickenpox scars. Sleep aid, especially popular among pregnant women. Some place a fresh leaf beneath their pillow. Hair elixir, combined with castor oil or coconut oil, it's used to slow premature graying and nourish the scalp. Try this at home. Blend 2 leaves with aloe gel for a refreshing skin tonic. In Ghana, it's called Tema, meaning "hate me you die," a dramatic but telling name reflecting its protective role. Spiritual cleansing, burned like sage to clear energy. Fertility rites, used in rituals to invite abundance and support pregnancy. Protection amulets, leaves dried and kept in wallets or worn around the neck. In India, it's a favorite in Ayurvedic medicine, believed to balance the body's energies. It's used in temple offerings and meditative spaces to promote mental clarity. In Jamaica, it's everywhere, from roadside bushes to backyard gardens. Bush doctors brew it to treat colds, soothe grief, or offer spiritual defense. Some families even pass down their own recipes. This leaf tells stories of survival and rebirth. Its regenerative edges remind us that healing begins with resilience. In traditional dream work, people sleep with it under their pillow for visions and clarity. In rituals, it's a bridge to ancestors, burned during rites seeking guidance or wisdom. From medicine to magic, from healing to hope, the leaf of life spans centuries and continents. Its power lies not just in its chemistry, but in the care passed down through generations. If you found this episode enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WISO Health Tips. Tap that bell so you never miss a dose of cultural wellness. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite traditional remedy? Let's keep this knowledge alive.